Tesla just dropped a video of their cars driving themselves around their gigafactory. No humans, no panic, just sleek machines gliding like they're in a psych. Let's break down what full self-driving even means. Spoiler alert, it's not what you think. So buckle up and stick around while I take you for a wild ride. It's not magic. It's math. Sensors, cameras, and algorithms dance together to predict chaos. Tesla's tech claims to see the road better than a paranoid owl. But here's the kicker. Seeing ain't understanding. Ever misread a text and spiral into existential dread? Machines do that too. Okay, but here's the twist. Tesla's not the only player in this game. The self-driving world is a Hunger Games arena, and the stakes? Your daily commute. Waymo's got taxis rolling in Phoenix. Cruise is battling San Francisco's hills, and Rivian? They're lurking in the shadows like a techie Batman. But Tesla's betting big on cameras over LiDAR. Think eyes versus laser tag. Now, let's get real. Even if the tech works, cities aren't ready. This could lead to urban chaos. Simulations say self-driving cars could cut congestion by 40%. No more gridlock-induced rage. Just you, sipping coffee, while your car merges lanes like a Zen master. But, and this is a big but, what happens when everyone's car tries to merge autonomously at once? Chaos or a symphony? Speaking of chaos, let's not forget about parking. Yeah, that thing you wasted time searching for a parking spot. Self-driving cars are about to turn that into a relic. Parking lots could be repurposed into community gardens or skate parks. Robotaxi cars drop you off, then vanish like ninjas to park themselves. So, cities could breathe again. Less concrete, more life. But here's the catch. What happens to all the meter maids? Do they retire or revolt? Wait, but what about buses and trains? If cars go rogue, does public transit become the next blockbuster? Self-driving shuttles could plug into buses and trains, filling gaps like duct tape for urban sprawl. But let's not kid ourselves. Will this save public transit or kill it? We're moving into a future where your robo-taxi cars are the bus. Wild, right? But wait. Before we get too hype, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Safety. Because nothing kills a vibe like a robot running a red light. Sure, Tesla's data says full self-driving is safer than humans, right? But stats don't soothe the gut-punch fear of handing control to a machine. And ethics? Oh, this rabbit hole. How do you program a car to choose between two terrible outcomes? Spoiler. We can't. Not yet. Let's dive into the trolley problem from hell. Should your car swerve to save a pedestrian, but risk your life? What if it's a dog versus a traffic cone? So, engineers aren't just coding cars. They're playing moral Jenga. And one wrong block could collapse public trust. But wait, even if we solve ethics, who's making the rules? It's not the robots. Regulators move at DMV speed. Tech moves at TikTok speed. So, we're stuck in a legal limbo. Who's liable when a robot crashes? Your insurance company? Tesla? The universe? And what about hackers? Okay, let's take a deep breath. Let's dream again. What if cities evolved with the tech? Think Inception, but with fewer explosions. Think roads that talk to cars. Traffic lights that adapt in real time. It's like cities finally get therapy and learn to communicate. Now, here's the mic drop. Self-driving cars could be the ultimate equalizer. Your grandma zipping to bingo night solo, or your friend in a wheelchair hailing a car that actually accommodates them. So, autonomy isn't just cool. It's justice. But will it be affordable or just another toy for the 1%? Let's not forget, this isn't just about us. The planet's watching. Fewer traffic jams equals less idling equals cleaner air. Okay, time to get personal. What does this mean for you? Comment below. If you can't wait to take a nap on your daily commute, The future's a messy, glittery, uncertain masterpiece. Ready to see how it ends? So here's the deal. Maybe Tesla's cars will rule the roads. Maybe they'll haunt our nightmares. Either way, buckle up. This ride's just getting wild. Want to know the reason big tech is obsessed with self-driving? Spoiler. It's not about cars. Tap the next video on your screen. Trust me, you'll never see your iPhone the same way again.